Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store, and today I'm going to show you how to make clothes whiter without using bleach. Instead, we are going to be brightening these white fabrics using two different Rit fabric treatments. The first product I'm going to be using is Rit White Wash. This product is specifically for white clothes only. It is going to remove stains from white clothes without using chemical bleach, which can damage the fibers and cause your fabric to age prematurely. White wash will remove yellow staining from your white clothes and will tackle even tougher stains like grass, grease, and makeup. Make sure that the cycle is more than 30 minutes long and use the hottest water that is safe for your fabric. Once your washer has filled, add your detergent and the whitewash powder. For small to medium loads, you can use one package of whitewash, but for larger loads, you're going to want to use two. Once the machine starts agitating the water, add your fabric, but do not overfill the machine. You want to make sure that there is plenty of space for your fabric to move around freely. The second product that I will be using is Rit Whitener and Brightener. This is going to brighten white clothes, but also can be used on brightly colored clothes that have started to fade. I'm going to be using Rit Whitener on a front-loading machine, but you should follow the instructions from earlier in the video if you have a top-loading machine. Start washing your clothes like usual with the hottest water safe for your fabric, and make sure that the cycle is longer than 30 minutes. Add your detergent to the dispenser and then add your fabric brightener. If you're using the powdered version, you should dissolve the powder in a few cups of water before putting it in the dispenser. Finally, rinse it out with several cups of hot water, and once the cycle is complete, you can dry the fabric like usual. If you have any questions about using whitewash or the brightener, drop them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.